Hey guys, how are you? Uncle Dan here in Central Park, right by the famous Woolman ice skating rink. How do you build relationship with your customers? Right, in the last video we talked about how do you build trust, and it's connected, relationship and trust. But relationship is based on expanding the trust, expanding the freedom of expression, expanding the level of respect that you have for people, right? And so when you start to expand all these things, little by little, you can say that I have a good relationship with people. So you have to expand on the trust, the respect, the freedom of expression, and shared commitment. Those four things, you have to expand on that. How you do that is through communication and action as well. And how you build trust with people and how you build relationship is by keeping your word with them. You keep your word, you expand trust. Every time you keep your word with somebody, you expand trust. Every time you break your word with somebody, you erode trust. That's one piece of it. All right, so anyway, come to the Power Sales Training. This is creating a relationship and building trust with people is one of the core fundamental things that we work on every week in Power Sales Training because it's mission critical. Mondays and Wednesdays, Power Sales Training. Check us out on molloysales.com. This is Uncle Dan signing out for today.